Hi, my name is Chef Larry. I'm at Greenspoon Studio Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make gluten-free chapatis using Home Chef Gluten-Free Flour. This is made from 3 ingredients, that is tapioca flour, water chestnut flour, and amaranth flour. It's a natural and healthier option as opposed to using normal flour because it's nut-free, gluten-free, and also grain-free. So our main ingredients for making chapati: cooking oil, we have salt, we have sugar, and we have our gluten-free all-purpose flour. For our chapatis, we're gonna use Home Chef Gluten-Free Flour. We do like 250 grams, half a teaspoon of table salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. So using our warm water, we'll start kneading. So you add just a bit at a time until you find and form a soft, nice dough. So the flour is quite easy to work with. It might feel a bit different to work with, but it's very nice and easy. So once your dough has this texture, we transfer on a floured work surface, and then we're gonna use the stretch and fold method. We want to knead it, then we form a nice ball. So we lightly oil it, and then we put it in our bowl, then cover with a cling film for at least 20-30 minutes before we start using it. So it's been 30 minutes, our flour is ready. So we want to transfer this on your floured work surface. So add some more flour on it. We want to start rolling our dough. Some more flour, need be. Roll it to a big round ball. So this is now okay. Just give it a nice turn. Then we apply some cooking oil on it. Give that a nice rub. So we want to roll it first, just like we do when you're making your Swiss roll. Nicely cut it into even sizes. Then now turn and then press. You want to roll this into a nice round circle. Some more flour on top. So we roll. Don't be afraid to add more flour if need be. This is what we need, the end product. Not too fat, not too thin, just perfect. So into a medium hot pan, we're gonna put in our round gluten-free chapati. So you want to see the bubbles get from the chapati to know you're ready to turn. So give it a few minutes. So once your dough starts rising, that's an indication for you to turn it. And then, so we want to apply some oil on it, then spread it around nicely. Then now we turn, you see, nice golden brown color. So you want to flip it, and then we apply some more oil on it. Once it's ready, you turn it again. So you want to turn, it's gonna get hot, so you need to be very fast. Ooh, guys, look at that color. This is what I'm talking about. And this is gluten-free Home Chef flour, no binders whatsoever. You can see the layers, just like your typical African chapati. Our chapati is ready, so let's plate it. And that's it. With me here is Christine, who is gonna be our tester. Hi, Christine.
Hi.
I hope uko na njaa.
I am.
Karibu. So how do you feel it?
It's amazing.
It is amazing. I revealed to you what type of flour we used.
Yes, I'm very curious.
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Boom.
Wow.
So this is gluten-free flour, all-purpose from Home Chef.
Okay, so I'm curious. What exactly are the ingredients for this particular flour?
Oh, so it's made from tapioca flour, water chestnut flour, and amaranth flour. You can feel the texture. Can you feel it?
It's very fine.
It's different, but still gives you the same exact products.
Yeah.
You can make chapati, donuts, bread, and all that.
They're actually really soft.
Ziko poa? Huh? Can we dig in?
Yes.
I am hungry, so okay. And remember, you can get this and much more at Greenspoon. Yes. Bye.